you missed the episode, I guess you could call it. I don't know what the heck they call them in YouTube land, but I brought home a canoe. Really nice Bear Creek canoe. Used to be made here in Maine, but I think they got bought out by a competitor because they are so good and so well made, these Bear Creek. So if you find one, grab one if you can, if you like fiberglass. I like aluminum. I'm going to give these a try because I heard they do really well. So getting back to the story, so I came out here to clean it off, take a look at her, start rigging her with her anchor and get ready to use her. And unfortunately, I don't have my workshop yet to hang her up in. So I did this just for the interim. Well, as I walked up, a little birdie flew out. So I was like, okay, whatever. Now, come to find out, they made a nice little nest here. So, that was a surprise. So anyways, that's the bird that flew out. I will sit here for a second, see if she'll come back. I doubt it, now she knows I'm here. But anyways, I won't be able to get to use my canoe until I see all the little babies out and gone. That's okay. Birds deserve a safe spot for this year anyways.